अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम बदर खुशनूद है और मैं इस वक्त पार्टनर और को-फाउंडर हूँ एट ब्रेमर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। Bremers is one of the largest digital media agencies in the country. We are also Google certified for 4 of their products. Previously, I was with Google for more than 8 years. I was looking after Pakistan operations with Google. उससे पहले I was with SMEDA, which is and ASUS Tech, which are SMEDA is a government organization and ASUS is a technology company based out of Taiwan. Or so that's something which is more relevant from the IT industry perspective. We started off exactly in 2005. June 2005 में हमने company शुरू की थी. मैं, आमिर और ज़ीशान, we are 3 partners. So Badr, Amir and Zishan, and that's where Bremers originates. Right after setting it up, I moved out to Google for a long 8 years. However, in these 8 years, Amir and Zishan continued to take Bremers to the next level. So we started off more as a BPO IT company, which has now evolved into eventually, as a very early stages, we evolved into a digital marketing company because we all 3 founders do not have a IT background academically. We all 3 come from marketing and business background. And that was probably but we had a good flair of technology, and that's where we wanted to leverage the intersection of both technology and marketing. So we started off a bit slow because we were all bootstrapped. However, today, alhamdulillah, Bremers is now one of the largest digital agencies with 80 plus people on ground. We have presence in Karachi and Islamabad. We are starting up in Dubai as well very shortly. And the best thing about us is now today what we realize over these years is that we have evolved as one of the very unique agencies who are playing at all the intersections of technology, marketing and publishing. So generally you would find everything independently very well done. So you will find a very good digital media agency who can just buy your digital media, or you will find a very good social media management agency who can manage all your social media needs. Or you will find an agency which can manage all your publications if you're a newspaper or a large publisher or a broadcaster. Or you'll find a software house who can do very good software for you in whatever category you require. At Bremers, we are at the intersection of all of them. So we have currently, we serve more than few dozen customers in terms of as an advertiser. So we manage their complete digital strategy, digital asset creation, digital media management, social media management, crisis management, social media listening, analytics, everything turnkey for these clients. The client and most of these are Fortune 500 companies like Nestle, Pepsi, Samsung, Dell, Intel, Line, Tetra Pak, tons of these companies. We manage all of their digital media needs. Then we have products, like we have specific products for publishers like newspapers. So we host around more than 3 dozen newspapers with us. So Nawai Waqt, Nation, Daily Times, Daily Pakistan, Qudrat, Sama, Dunya Ka Urdu, all of these are hosted and their content monetization is managed by Bremers as well. And in parallel, we have our own technology products like All Around, which is a discount and loyalty app. And we just launched AnyTicket, anyticket.com.pk, which is a ticketing platform for cinemas and buses and everything else. So in short, we now feel that had we just been a digital media agency specifically or a social media agency, we would have probably not grown to this scale because of the evolution of technology getting very mainstream very quickly. So I think being at the intersection of all of these has really helped us keep our niche and our specialization very focused. So पाकिस्तान की e-commerce market जो है वो भी इस वक्त $100 million टच कर रही है. And just to give put it in context, इंडिया की इस वक्त $15 billion की e-commerce market है. So there's a huge opportunity कि अगर हम कुछ चीज़ें फिक्स कर लें तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ ले सकते हैं. ये सब अच्छी बातें मैं आपको बताते साथ ही आई थिंक मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली कुछ चैलेंजेस भी हैं जो हमें सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत है, जिनमें स्पेशली पॉलिसी और रेगुलेटरी लेवल पे चैलेंजेस हैं. अभी तक 3 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं और यूट्यूब भी ब्लॉक्ड है पाकिस्तान में. अगेन रेगुलेटरी एंड पॉलिसी इशूज़ हैं. सिमिलरली पेपैल पाकिस्तान में ऑपरेट नहीं करता. सो माइक्रो पेमेंट्स इज़ अ बिग चैलेंज इन द ग्लोबल विलेज कि पाकिस्तान ई कॉमर्स में आगे नहीं आ पा रहा. However, Pakistan की local internal पेमेंट सिस्टम्स हैं वो बहुत इम्प्रूव कर गए हैं. सो मोबाइल पेमेंट्स लाइक ईजी पैसा एंड मोबी कैश एंड यू कैश और ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा पेनिट्रेट कर गए, बट दे आर स्टिल इन द lower part of the pyramid, and they'll now be growing into the middle part of the pyramid in the social strata. बट पेपल का आना फिर भी ज़रूरी है ताकि ई कॉमर्स को ग्लोबलाइज किया जाए पाकिस्तान में. सो स्टार्टअप कल्चर बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव कर गया इन द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स. और स्टार्टअप कल्चर में अगर आप देखें तो 2012 ऑनवर्ड्स वी नाउ हैव एटलीस्ट 4 to 6 गुड incubators, tech incubators in Pakistan. Actually across Pakistan we now have accelerators across Pakistan as well. And I think that's probably a good sign. But इन सब स्टार्टअप्स को अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्योंकि सपोर्ट नहीं पूरी तरह मिल रही है फाइनेंशियल इंडस्ट्री और रेगुलेटरी पर्सपेक्टिव से. सो जस्ट टू गिव यू क्विक एग्जैक्ट एनालॉजी, एक फ्रीलांसर जो पाकिस्तान में एवरेज $2-3 पर मंथ कर रहा है, उसको कोई बैंक क्रेडिट कार्ड इशू नहीं कर रहा, just because he doesn't have a physical office space, which is kind of mandatory requirement by the State Bank of Pakistan. So ये छोटी-छोटी changes हैं जो कि हमें improve करने की ज़रूरत है. And I think अगर हम regulatory और policy framework अपना improve कर लेते हैं तो we can certainly पाकिस्तान को एक next level ले जाया जा सकता है. In terms of IDG, I think I've probably associated with the team for more than a decade now. And I mean, who else would know them better than me? And I think I wish them the best of luck. And I think the way they have evolved as well, from the print versions to now the web studios, and I think that also reflects and speaks for itself how the technology has evolved, how the industry is evolving. And I think I would strongly urge all other media to start focusing on local startup industry, local technology. Promote that, give them a little bit more visibility, and you will see that they'll actually add far more value than expected in the lower. So I think IDG is setting those new trends, and hopefully as this ICT gets mainstream in the next few months or the coming times, I think IDG would be at the leading end of this. As Bramers, we are targeting to grow global. We have, so just to give you an example, our e-commerce product, which is completely locally developed, we already have around 50 plus local brands using it. So some of the top local brands are already our client for that product. So Domino's Pizza, KFC, Nishat Linen, Chen One, you name it, and all these brands are already using our product. So we have a mobile and web enablement of e-commerce product, which they are using. So we have kind of stabilize the product very well. The clients are there, the business models are working, everything. So we now are getting global on that. Similarly, our publishing product is also is very unique. The whole suite is very unique. We are the only Google certified agency for monetization of content in Pakistan. So that's again, we have a very huge edge in that sense. So we'll also be going global on that. We already have few customers internationally on that product, but we want to go global on that again. So I think for 2016, we'll try to reinforce our agency servicing side very well within Pakistan. We have just expanded into Karachi, so we are now expanding into south, and then we are going north, up north as well. In terms of our products, we'll be going out of Pakistan and growing next. So last year we won 2 Pasha awards. Actually this year, our target next year would be to have at least, we'll try to double these awards, and then also go into the regional competitions as well. So that's what we're looking forward to for Bramers.